today in the same mall now where you are seated from 2:30.
చూస్తే 1857 స్వాతంత్ర పోరాటానికి జరిగినటువంటి అప్పటి రాజ్యపాలకుల నుంచి బాధితారు.
Visited the places. So many students and people have their surnames with their caste name.
You would have suffered me all this along, so you would have known me what I am actually. So kindly excuse me if I had gone.
What we have seen these 2 days. Now, this is our session. The program is the secretary. Accordingly, we will go through the session. First.
Thank you. Principal of this local college, SKR Government Degree College, the local secretary, the joyful personality of Guduru, Dr. Govind Surendra Garu, the local secretary to Kannada.
ఒరిస్సాలో ఉన్నారు, ఛత్తీస్గఢ్లో ఉన్నారు, మహారాష్ట్రలో ఉన్నారు, కర్ణాటకలో ఉన్నారు, తమిళనాడులో ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి మనకు కామన్ ఏరియా చాలా ఉంది. దాన్ని
BSL Hanumantarav Best Paper Cash Award.
from its inception. And every year it is growing strength to strength. And all the credit goes to the hosts, especially the principal. And I wish that you come again with your papers and enrich the organization and make it 100-year-old organization. I won't be there in 100 years, but I wish you all the best.
Lecturer in zoology, please come sir. Also, most eligible and deserved person for this felicitation. All the staff, now I request all the staff members. Our faculty also.